Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Have you ever forgotten your Gmail password? It happens more often than you might think, especially when Chrome saves the password and you don't have to type it every time. But here's the good news. If your Gmail password is saved in Chrome, you can actually view it in just a few seconds. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Now look at the top right corner of the browser and click on the three dots menu. From the drop-down menu, move your mouse over Passwords and Autofill. Then click on Google Password Manager. This will open the Password Manager where Chrome stores all the passwords you've allowed it to save. Here you'll see a list of different websites. Now in the search bar, type Google, or simply look for google.com in the list. Once you find it, click on the Google entry. For example, on my screen, you can see that there are multiple Google accounts connected to my Chrome browser. If you also use several Gmail accounts, you may see more than one here. When you click on any of them, Chrome will ask you to verify your identity. This might require entering your Windows computer password, your PIN, or using your fingerprint, depending on your device. After verification, you'll see the Gmail username and a hidden password. To reveal the password, simply click the eye icon next to it. And just like that, the saved Gmail password becomes visible. If you need to use it somewhere else, you can also click the copy icon to copy the password instantly. On my system, I currently have 6 different Gmail accounts, and I can check the saved password for any of them here. For you, the number of accounts may be different. And that's it. A very quick and useful trick to view your Gmail password directly from Chrome. Just remember, since Chrome stores these passwords, always keep your computer secure and protected, especially if other people use the same device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment below, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple tech tutorials, Windows tips, and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.